Hello, welcome to yet another journey of mine. Now, as you said, all roads are not, so this is what it means. We took a shortcut to our destination, and this is what we had to go through. That's why you stop. A peaceful, serene location by the dam. No one was there, just us, the riders. After a peaceful sunrise, we ride back to Bangalore through the same roads. The sunrise hitting us through the trees was awesome. This was a short ride, just 35 kilometers from Toll Plaza. After our breakfast, we just drove back to Bangalore. This was more of a like introduction, more like a breakfast. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.